Can you use Lyft Cash to pay for rides? Well, the answer is yes. However, this feature is only supported in However, this feature is only available in supported regions, and if it is well, and if it is available, what you want to do is you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft application, you want to simply tap on account at the bottom right of your corner, on the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you'd be able to see your account tab over here. Once you are on your account tab, you want to simply tap on this payment option. And inside your payment option, you'd be able to see cash option on your payment methods as well. However, you'd be able to simply follow the prompt as well on the Lyft Cash option over here. And once you have done so, when requesting a ride, you'd be able to select the Lyft Cash option as a payment method. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.